103, and I just wanted to show that I'm driving speed limit, bro. Like, I'm really not down for no runs. Like, I don't know. I'm literally driving 60 miles an hour. I haven't gone over 60, over 65. Literally. My tires are like a normal person. But yeah. Hey, chill, Echo. What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a car meet video for y'all. I was gonna do a POV, but the car meet isn't that far, and I'm not finna be speeding. Yeah, if you see, I'm looking at my tire pressure sensor because obviously a couple of them hoes messed up, but the ones that do work, tire on 21. So, anyways, hope y'all enjoy this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man, for all the support. To make that hoe look bigger than what it is. Chanel two-tone, hardest hood rap in Houston, nigga. So hard. What the fuck? How this nigga in street run? Appreciate you. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man, for all the support in the last few videos. It means a lot. And yeah, bro.